The integumentary system, also known as the dermal system, is the largest system in the human body. It consists of structures that form the body's outer covering, and its functions include protection against the external environment, regulation of body temperature, regulation of hydration levels, sensory perception of touch, temperature, and pain, and synthesis of vitamin D. The major components of the integumentary system are the skin and the subcutaneous tissue. The skin consists of two layers. The epidermis, which is the superficial cellular layer of the skin, and the dermis, which is the deep connective tissue layer of the skin. The subcutaneous tissue, also known as the superficial fascia or hypodermis, is the connective tissue layer located immediately deep to the dermis, consisting of adipose tissue or fat.